Hello everyone, it's Quentin Wear the Fashion Doll. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving. I am filming on Thanksgiving before I leave out to eat with my family and friends and the peoples. It's been a cute day. We have lovely weather here in Chicago. You see the sun shining on me, sunshine on me. We will be unboxing a doll today. And I've had her for a while. I actually got her on sale from Target. And I didn't want to open her. But, because, you know, after Thanksgiving, the next holiday is Christmas, I said, let's open her. And she could be a part of my Christmas gift wish list. You know, if you need ideas to get the doll lover or child in your life a gift, you can get them a doll from the doll, okay? But we're gonna unbox her. She is very cute. I believe she's called Barbie on the Beach or Barbie at the Beach. And they had some more people a part of this line and like a little furniture set. But she is very cute. I really liked her because she was giving me the original swimsuit Barbie vibes with like the chevron print and the polka dot. And even her little cat eye sunglasses, if you can see those. But we're gonna open her. Very excited. Let's start. Wait, before we start, because we are in the holiday season. Let's take a shot. I got this shot glass from Puerto Rico. I collect shot glasses, so if you ever want to send the doll one or a Barbie one, whichever would be cute, send me one. But cheers. And I took a shot of Douce. If you want it today. We're gonna open her up. What are y'all plans for Thanksgiving? What are you thankful for, honey? I'm thankful for a lot of things. I'm thankful. I have had an interesting year, but I'm yet here and yet stunning. I'm thankful for my YouTube channel. This is something, I started a YouTube channel years ago in my early 20s. So it's nice to be back doing it. And, you know, it's actually working out. I'm getting the views. I'm getting subscribers. I'm meeting my milestones. So I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for my family and friends. I'm grateful for my relationship and my dog. And I'm just grateful for a lot. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful that while I've had this foolishness going on with these jobs, the Lord brought me another opportunity, honey. So we are all good. There's so much to be grateful for. And I'm grateful for Barbie. I'm grateful for being a Barbie and having Barbie in my life. Here she is out of the plastic. Ripped me out the plastic. And one more time, here's the back packaging, which is cute to me. But we're going to start releasing these items. Release the hat. Release the gloves. Here is her sun hat, which is cute and a very nice size. It's plastic, but it's cute. And they put like the texture on it, so it's giving like a straw hat. Stunning. We love it, Mattel. Telly of the house. Sorry. Me being random. Okay, she's almost, oh, okay. We just have to cut her hair and the back of her head loose. Put in the comments, what is your favorite thing about Thanksgiving? And it's probably going to be the food. And if food is your answer, what is your favorite dish? I need you to be specific. Don't just say food. So we got Miss Mama's out the box. Let's just cut these tags off the back of her head. And this Barbie has the Millie face sculpt, which I like the mini face sculpt. I think she's cute, but I see some doll collectors maybe aren't a big fan, but she's cute to me. Okay, ooh, lost a little hair, but it's okay. She need a comb so bad. I should run get one. She need a, I don't know what kind of hair this is, and it's shedding down, mama. Look at that. Ooh. I have some tea on my table. I don't want to get her hair in my tea. Okay. But let's get a good look at Miss Barbie at the beach. Miss Mamas is cute. Now her hair needs some styling, but she is cute. We like the face. Her gold hoop earrings are real cute. They like bamboo. She got on a gold necklace. Get into her sarong. And you can untie the sarong. I'm gonna leave it on for now. Love the heel. I'm a child of the 90s and the 2000s, and mules were so popular. We love a mule. And just to look at her face is a little pixelated, but it's not terrible. You can see. Let's zoom in and out. Yes, but okay, she's cute. And basic articulation at the shoulders and at the waist, at the hip. Nothing at the knee. Oh, now I got a little nick on my plastic. Maybe I did that cutting her out. I kind of don't. I'm gonna leave the rubber bands on her shoes for now, cause these shoes probably be flopping off. But yeah, she is cute. She just need her hair done and a new hairstyle. But we'll boil wash her later. Let's take out the rest of her accessories. This is probably my favorite accessory that I'm about to take out. If you know me, I am known for my sunglasses. I love a pair of sunnies. If I'm outside, especially if I'm in the city, I'm going to have my sunglasses. I can't stand walking around and having people all in my face. And I also like to have my sunglasses because when the homeless people or people soliciting are on the streets, honey, I don't even see you. I got music in my ear and my sunglasses on. Oh, they are making it so difficult to get these out of the container. Here are her cat eye sunglasses. I would wear these. These are very cute, honey. Oh, cute. Let's put them on Miss Mama's. Yes, okay. Now see, she coming together. Fierce. And they fit on correctly. Yes. Miss Mama's. My next trip, I'm going to Jamaica. So she is in the spirit of Jamaica, honey. She down to the island. Yes. My boyfriend is half Jamaican. And my best friend is Jamaican too. So I get to go visit where the people I love are from. Here is her little translucent tote bag. Very cute. It's plastic. But I like that we have some texture, like some wrinkles. It has stitching on the handles. Good detail. This was a nice quality doll for it to be, not real expensive. I'm pleased. Here is her pink iPhone. And she can put it on her hand if she needs to. Yes. Talk to the hand. And let's put her bag in her hand so she can carry the bag or hold it. Okay. Yes, Miss Mama's got a lipstick. I'm going to put it on in one of my next videos, but I just released a new hoodie, a She Ain't No Diva hoodie, because I got to my 100 subscribers. And I will be doing my giveaway. Life has been life, and I need to make the form, but we will be doing a giveaway for that. But Miss Mama's is a diva, and this how you know how, because she came with a stick of lipstick, as only a diva would. Because divas don't just put on their makeup and leave out the house. A diva bring touch-ups, honey. So if she need to reapply her lipstick for later while she out, she got it. And she is a diva. That should be my new parameters for dolls. Is she a diva or is she not? That's what I'm gonna start using.
What you said, she ain't no diva.
And a diva also wears sunscreen. She came with her SPF 59. And I'm assuming they did 59 because Barbie is from 1959. That was cute. I peeked. And last but not least is her ice cream cone. Taste my ice cream. Yes, she got her little mint pistachio. Yes. I am pleased with Miss Barbie on the beach. She is very cute. Again, this hair could have been better. But I think once I boil wash her, she'll be fine. The texture isn't bad. It's just shedding and doesn't look the best. But she's cute. I wish I can give her an updo on like a ponytail. And her swimsuit ties in the back too, which is cute. She got a little nasty halter. I really like these mules. And I think, again, the mules are a nod to the original Barbie because she had her mules too. But she is Quentin approved for Christmas. She is a diva and she is stunning. Yes. I'm glad I got her and glad I opened her. She's cute. I might put her in the bathroom because she matches. And my bathroom is kind of like it's white, blue, and light pink. It's kind of giving like ocean or water. So she definitely goes. But I hope everyone enjoys their Thanksgiving. And just for another milestone, I had a video reach 700 views, which is my most watched video. So I'm so excited. We're getting so close to 1,000. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I really would appreciate it if you shared my video with someone who doesn't know about me, because that's how you grow. But I will be back soon. I'm going to have more unboxings to talk about for Christmas. So, you know, if you're looking for gifts for people, you're not having too hard of a time. Oh, I didn't even put the hat on her head. I'm so stupid. Here's the hat on her head before we go. The hat is, it's serving fish, honey. It's giving cunty. Yes. It's giving, y'all haters corny with that Illuminati mess. Yes. But okay, I will see y'all soon. Be on the lookout for the next unboxing on my Christmas wish list. Ta-ta.